Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Aaron. Welcome back to another video, and today we are gonna compare the sound quality of the Sonos Roam to the Bose SoundLink Mini. This is actually the very first speaker I bought for myself. That was way back in 2013. So this speaker, believe it or not, is more than 7 years old by now. Everything about this speaker is old. I'm not kidding. It's still running the old Bluetooth 3.0 protocol. It doesn't have USB Type-C or even Type-A charging. Instead, it uses a proprietary adapter with a proprietary connector for charging. It also came with this charging base that uses these contacts here at the bottom to make the power connection. So it's a really old speaker in every way, but the reason I still have it is because it is still working so well after all these years, and it still got this big sound. In fact, it's about 20% louder than the Sonos Roam. Inside, it's got 2 speaker drivers and a passive radiator for bass. Now, passive radiators for small speakers like this one have been around even before 2013, but because of how popular this was back in the day, this speaker made passive radiators so popular that now you can barely find any portable speakers without it. Of course, in terms of technology, the Sonos Roam is leaps and bounds ahead of the Bose SoundLink Mini. It's got both Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi multi-room music streaming, voice assistant support with GA and Amazon Alexa, automatic sound calibration with TruePlay, USB Type-C, and wireless charging with Qi-compatible charging pads, and it's also got IP57 dust and water resistance. So, this speaker is cutting-edge tech compared to the Bose. The only advantage the SoundLink Mini has is this 3.5mm auxiliary input, so you can connect it to pretty much anything with a 3.5mm input. But other than that, the Bose is kind of like an iPhone 3G compared to the Roam, which is more like an iPhone 12. So now we're going to proceed to the sound quality test. Please note that the audio in this clip is only for comparing these speakers relatively. It does not represent the actual sound quality of the speakers. In fact, they actually sound a lot better in real life than in my recordings. So if you want to audition these speakers, it's always best to do this in person. The SoundLink Mini is about 20% louder than the Sonos Roam. So at 50% volume for the SoundLink Mini, I've had to set the volume level of the Roam to 70%. For the best experience, I also recommend that you listen to these recordings with headphones.
Look in the mirror, who's looking back at me? I don't know what happened, guess we weren't meant to be. I know we had problems, I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you. And it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do. Even though it hurts right now, we will make it through. I'll get over you. I'll get over you. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks. Thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on. Baby, you happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body. We were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body. We were moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move.
So I feel that the Sonos Roam sounds better than the SoundLink Mini in almost every way, in terms of vocal and instrumental clarity, track separation, and dynamic range. It's just able to bring out a bit more clarity and detail in my music, and overall it sounds so much cleaner than the Bose SoundLink Mini. The Bose does sound better in terms of bass. It's got more low end in the upper bass range, so it has a heavier sound signature overall. Its sound staging is also a little wider than the Sonos Roam, and with its louder volume, it can project sound over a wider area. But overall, I still enjoy the Sonos Roam's audio a bit more because of its clarity and clean sound. I'm gonna have more speakers from other brands coming in too, so if you want to see more comparisons like this one from this channel, including more comparisons between the Roam and other speakers, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell, because this is the only way YouTube will notify you of new content from this channel. If you want to find out more about the Sonos Roam and its features, watch this review over here. In this video, I cover almost every single aspect of the Sonos Roam, so do take a look. Here's a very big shout out to my patrons who support this channel by contributing $1 or more per month through the crowdfunding website Patreon. By supporting my work on Patreon like these guys, you gain perks like early access to most of my content, exclusive live streams, exclusive behind the scenes photos and videos, and special access to my patrons only channel on Discord. So if you don't want to miss out on these perks, join these guys and support my work on Patreon too. Link is in my description box. Once again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.